Everyone, this is Chris Brazel. Welcome to my world. And yes, I'm dressed and I'm in the shower, but you wouldn't want me in here being naked, that's for sure. Okay, let's talk about bathrooms, en suites, and where they're positioned in the house. So you will have seen one of the other videos of these people who in their bathroom and ensuite, their wall behind the basins were all going around in circles. They were muddy, they were awful, doing the headspace in, you know, we don't actually have to have mental health problems. If you just look around your environment, often the designers are stuffing up our minds and our mental health. So have a look around your environment before you know, because you could get it right in no time. Anyway, let's get back to this. So, two tips here. If your bathroom or ensuite is in your abundance corner or your money corner, then what I would recommend is a rock with a red ribbon. You can't go and explain this. The way I teach Feng Shui is soul energy, which is very much about the mind, the body, and the environment and the energy flow. I've tested this out, and this is a straight traditional Chinese method, which is when you've got heaps and heaps of drainage, you put a rock with a red ribbon. I've tested it and it works in amazing ways. So I'm not going to disagree with this particular one. So this bathroom and ensuite's in the money corner, in the abundance corner, so we're going to use the rock with a red ribbon. They've got so much happening at the moment. I'm actually going to put it in where the main drainage is, where it's situated, which is in the shower. So it'll be something that also work with their mind, that when they come in, they know they're doing something about their life. They're just not letting it go. So let's put that down. The other thing is make sure it's clean. Be very conscious of your towels. But one of these little pieces that you can get from Bunnings, as I said, Bunnings, you need me to come on down, can do wonders for the mind. So a lot of times people let their bathrooms get so much mold on it, or that scum looking thing. One lady, when she was stuck going around in circles, all I started her with was one of these. Just wipe down your glass walls in your shower. What's that going to do? Just do it. Have a go. $5.95 at Bunnings, you know, you never know. So she bought one and started doing it. The next thing, she changed something in her kitchen. The next thing, I got to work with her and we got rid of a wedding dress that she loved, that she hadn't used for 18 years and was divorced from the person who she married with that wedding dress. Where is she now? She is an amazing lady with a business. She's playing pickleball, winning. She's got the most amazing partner in her life. She's bought a whole new place. Started with this. Any little action steps can kickstart the domino effect to where you want to go. So let's get back. Buy one. Then when you finish your shower, it takes 2 seconds to go down with the water and get it off. So glass is emotion. So when you're doing that, you don't want to build up resentment. You don't want to build up anger. You don't want to build up things in your life. It's the same as when you do this in the bathroom or in your shower after you finish, and it takes 2 seconds. One, it saves you a big job at the end trying in 3 months' time. Oh my goodness, how am I going to get these glass doors clean? You do it on a daily basis. It's like you do everything in life on a daily basis. It doesn't build up in a big negative way. So the tip is, check where your bathroom is in the house. If it's in your money, relationship corner, or your belief area, you need to do the rock with a red ribbon. If you're not sure, always go to my website and you can look where the bar map is there. Or you can always book in for a one-room consultation with me. So then go buy one of these. $5.95 I think this one cost. And then get into the habit and get the kids in the habit, or get the family in the habit. When you have a shower, you wipe down the walls. It doesn't even take 60 seconds. Then the other thing is, what's really good is watch how you have. So do not have empty containers. Make sure your containers are full. If you've got empty containers there and you look at them, that makes it feel as if you're empty. So full containers, not ones where you can see through, because if you can see through, then your mind is in a worry. Oh, it's nearly empty, it's nearly empty. have this, and you'll know by the feel, but you'll know yourself each day. So have that there. I always like to have the soap in a really something that feels very abundant, very fulfilling. So I love these containers. We designed some ourselves, or we can show you where you can get them from. So again, the soap is where some people like soap, that's fine. But if you do use soap, don't get down to the little scrippy little bits at the end and you're trying to get the last bit out of it. When you get towards the end, put it somewhere where you can use it still so you're not wasting it. But when you come to the bathroom, you come to your ensuite, you come to your showers, this is where you do not mess with your head. You get your head and the energy in the right place, because this is where you can get your life right. You do not need fancy tiles. You do not need designer tiles. Your bathroom is where you come to peace, to sort out your life, to let go of the emotions, so then you can go out. Sure, have the colored towels, definitely colored towels, and please don't tell me you've got black and brown in the bathroom. Head out now and buy some, really nice colors. Know your colors. So if you're a member of the club, which I hope you will become a member, you can do it on a monthly basis or whenever, but in the membership of the club, I'll teach you what colors to have, so you're in perfect alignment to the energy of the month. And how cool would it be? Oh, we're in the month of March. That's the color turquoise. Oh, put the turquoise towels in the bathroom. You immediately take an action step to put you in energy alignment to win in life. That's what life's about. Life's not about struggle, sacrifice, and going down the gurgler. Life is about having it to the full, enjoying, playing, excitement, love, and most of all, laughter and being happy. So this is me out from the bathroom today. I'll be back with some more tips for you. Please come join the members, subscribe to my channel. You never know what else you can learn with me. Cheers for now.